When I was in my teens, I idolized opinionated people a lot. It was like the more they say or the angrier or the more passionate they were more angas to me. But as I grew older, I respected the classy ones more, the kinder ones, and those who displayed a certain kind of decorum. I'm not sure if people really change. Yung mga kilala ko since bata kami, parang nandun pa rin yung core qualities nila, yung kung sino talaga yung personality nila. But as I grew older, I idolize the nicer and the kinder people more. Ay ma'am, pasensya na po kayo kasi understaffed kami ngayon. Tapos yung mga nagsipasok talagang mga trainees pa lang. Pasensya na po at mabagal talaga ngayon. Ano ba yan? Ang tagal-tagal naman. May pasok pa ako. Kanina pa ako nag-aantay. Ano ba yan? Tagal-tagal. It's okay. It's not your fault. Okay lang yan. Minsan talaga ganyan. Ano ba naman yan? Paulit-ulit naman yung instructions. Paano ka ba sa school noon? Ano ba yan? Okay lang yan. Sige, isa-isahin natin. Saan ka ba nahihirapan? Tignan mo maigi, tapos isa-isahin natin. Okay lang yan, matututunan mo din yan. Hello, Charmaine. Ako balita ako kung ano-ano sinasabi mo sa akin. Balita ako, sinasabi mo magastos ako, lakotsera ako, matakaw ako. Wala kang pakialam, hindi mo pera yun. Pakialamera ka. Uy, blooming ka. Ang ganda mo. Puso, may kailangan ka, no? Kaya mabait ka sa akin, no? Uy, blooming. Ang ganda. Thank you. When you're having a bad day or frustrated or disappointed, it's easier to snap or be mean or be an asshole. But was it worth it?
Outspoken people are usually funny, and we need honesty and truthfulness in life.
Kahit masarap kasama yung mga sobrang prangka at walang inhibitions, basta choose kindness always kasi hindi naman nakakatuwa kung parang laging may pinaglalaban.